This presentation aims to present the context of Python as well as some tools. This presentation has as main purpose contributing to the following learning goals: understanding Python in the context of other languages, learn Python history and license, and know Python programming tools. Python is an interpreted programming language. Python is a high-level, multi-paradigm, and general-purpose programming language. In 1989, Guido van Rossum presented Python for the first time. The name was inspired in Monty Python's Flying Circus from BBC. Python is related to other languages. It has some characteristics similar to other programming languages, for example, Java, Perl, Smalltalk, or even Modular 2. According to the Free Software Foundation, Python Software Foundation License 2.01 and 2.11 and newer versions is a free software license and is compatible with GNU GPL. However, intermediate versions of Python like 1.6b1 through 2.1.1 are under different licenses. In the interactive mode, I will write the instructions and the interpreter gives me the results immediately. In the script mode, I create a file previously, for example using Notepad, and I save it in a specific place. After creating the file, I may call it at any time. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python and R programming languages for scientific computing. It is specially fit to data science, machine learning applications, large-scale data processing, and predictive analytics, for example. It aims to simplify package management and deployment. Anaconda also has a navigator that allows to easily access several tools like Jupyter VS Code. Open source. It is an open source distribution under BSD license. It is easy to install and manage all the packages. It is easy to perform data science, and it may be used in several operating systems like Linux, Windows, or Mac OS X. Jupyter is an interactive programming environment. It is an open source software following BSD license, uses open standards, and supports several programming languages. It was originated from IPython. Google Colab can be seen as a Jupyter notebook stored in Google Drive. After Google, Microsoft also made available a service using Microsoft Azure. but Microsoft discontinued this service. Summarizing, I presented the context of Python and also the license. Then I briefly referred the interactive and script mode. Finally, I presented also some tools, especially Anaconda.